Okay, so back again in emoji unboxing. So today I try to unbox another walkthrough, which basically already tried to be collected quite a while ago, but I decided to buy another game instead, since I haven't been owned that before. Even though I'm not sure whether there is some of these books that basically already bought before, but last time that I tried to check, I think it is still not yet available for some reason, but I don't know, because basically this is not really the interesting game that I like as well, but maybe someday I will try to play it again, because maybe it's pretty interesting adventure. Since the first one is the Godfather, the original Godfather video game. So this one is walkthrough for the PlayStation 2 game, but I'm not sure whether the PC version is actually the same or not, because the original Godfather is also released on the PlayStation 3, which basically have more features. So the second book is the Da Vinci Code, so I haven't been bought and played those games before, but I think it will be interesting since it is an adventure game based on the films. So the second one is the Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories. So basically, I'm not sure whether I used to bought it this walkthrough or not. I decided to bought it again, maybe with a different cover perhaps. So the last one is the Prince of Persia, which I used to play but I don't really like. So yeah, that's all.